Hello and welcome back to On the Workbench. Today we're taking a look at this Craftsman Pressure Washer Limited Edition Surface Cleaner. The reason why we're talking about this today isn't because there's anything particular about this. It's really the fact that this is a product made by Briggs Stratton, and if you find one of these in your garage, your friend's garage, you actually probably want to reach out to Briggs Stratton. They've got a form online that you can submit for a warranty return. So this is how my product looks right now. You can see I've barely used this since I bought it. I found it to be mildly effective and a little disappointing, but maybe I need a higher pressure washer to make this work a little bit better. But they've had some problems with it, and they've issued a Consumer Product Safety Commission recall on this. And so I filled out the form, and they sent me a UPS label. I can send this back at their cost. However, I do have to find a box to put this in to attach that label to, and that's going to take me a little bit to find the right box or piece of cardboard to make something with. And so I want to share this with you, and through the power of editing, hopefully, I'll be able to show you on the other side what they send back. And so on top, we've got this pressure washer fitting here. This goes on the end of your regular rod, and at the bottom is the spinning apparatus that spins and rotates with the brushes to scrub the concrete, deck, porch, garage floor, or whatever. This spins. I've not had any problems with this. Obviously others have, and that's why there's a recall.
All right, now thanks to the power of video editing, we're about 3 weeks into the future, and you can see I've got this nice shiny package here from Briggs Stratton. They shipped this to me, no questions asked. All I had to do was fill out the simple form. They sent it to me after I sent the old one back, got in the mail. Would have been nice if I would have had a tracking number to track the progress, but if we look at the box here, when we look on the side here, so far it looks pretty normal. We'll go ahead and get it out of the box and see what we get here. I'm not expecting any big surprises. We'll just be curious if the construction looks any different. So far, it looks like maybe the only difference is the way the ends of the spinning part work. There's still the bolt in the middle. There's the brush around the edges. Ventilation over top. It spins. So it's hard to say exactly what the issue was that they were dealing with here. We got the same clip nozzle that you can attach this to your ordinary wand. Difference in this case here, it does say Briggs Stratton. They're sending a single replacement out, even though mine was a Craftsman. Doesn't really matter. It does the same thing at the end of the day. Here's the information sheet that goes with it. Nothing really surprising here, just your typical how to use a pressure washer sheet, wear your safety glasses, wear proper footwear, and so forth. We'll set that aside, and we look at this, and, well, it's a pressure washer attachment. And it's pretty much from everything I can tell, exactly what I had before. Obviously, somehow this is a little bit safer. So if you want to get your pressure washer surface cleaner attachment swapped out as part of this warranty recall, which I would encourage you to do for your safety and the safety of those around you, I'll put a link down below. Thanks for watching, and as always, have a great day.